Hello friends, welcome back again to our Chima Dedicated video channel for today's video tutorial. In this video I want to share with you on how to make money on TikTok as a Nigerian. Content creation is the real deal right now. You see over there on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, even on Twitter, now people are making crazy money. But why I'm so much interested in this particular one because the requirement is not that much. Before now, we have been talking about Facebook giving access to Nigerians to enter their contents, and it's not there. But TikTok has made this possible. So you can be in Nigeria now, create account with TikTok, manage the account, and make money from that account. So I'm going to show you in this short video on how to do it. I request 3 things from you. Number one, if you are new to our channel, do well to subscribe to this channel, very important. And you're going to see more of these videos, stuff like this. Don't only stop there. Like this video, give us a thumbs up. It will help us to get recommendation from YouTube so that others can gain from it. Then number 3, don't forget to join and follow my TikTok account as I will post in this video description. So follow us and let's grow together. If you follow me, I'm going to follow you. Just make sure you do that. So let me quickly take you to my TikTok right now and show you exactly how this stuff works. That is exactly how you can, make money as a Nigerian on TikTok. It's a guide. You may not start doing it today if you have not yet created an account, if you have not done what you're supposed to do. But let me show you. You can see that it's not too difficult. It is something you can give yourself a target and achieve all at the same time. So look, this is TikTok. I'm going to click on it. So if you don't have an account, go to your Play Store. Download and install the TikTok app. I'll always ask you to install the real app, not the one of not the one that has to do with the one they call light. Please do the right thing. Very, very important. It's okay. Now, what I'm going to do is this. I want to show you how this things work. So this is my TikTok. This TikTok, I just created it newly. It's not up to a month. I don't think it's up to 20 days for now. So I'm going to show you some things. Now, what you do, let's click on this area where you have profile. I'm going to click on it. I want to show you exactly how Nigerians are making money on TikTok. Okay, no, not the profile. I want to click here. You see this top corner where you have those 3 lines. It's a drop down. So click on it and it opens. Once you open, click on Creator Tools. You can see Creator Tools, my QR code, settings and water privacy. So click on Creator Tools. In this Creator Tools, you are going to see quite a number of things here. You are going to see analytics. You're going to see monetization. You're going to see more tools and all of this. So my interest is on this one called monetization. That's where I want to go. So let's quickly look at that. So there are 3 major ways you can monetize your content on this page on TikTok as a Nigerian. So let me quickly run through the 3 for you to see the one and how to qualify. Let me click on subscription first. So how does it work as a Nigerian? Now, for you to do this, number 1, you should have at least 1,000 followers. And do you know that there are many Nigerians that have over 1 million followers? And that's why I see people are not joking. And one good thing about this is that you don't need to create so much videos. You can just be dancing and record yourself. That's video. You can just do a little short teaching of 1 minute. That's video. And you post here. So you can see that it's not something too difficult. Oh, how do I blog? How do I prepare YouTube videos and all that? Long form videos. These are very simple things you can do. So once you start, somebody say, 1,000 followers too much. People have 1 million, 2 million, more than that. So it started from 1 follower. So start from somewhere and you're going to be grow. As long as you're consistent, you grow. Now, you have live access because you earn on subscription through live access. Make sure you have gone live for at least 30 minutes in the last 28 days. That's how you earn from this one. Look at it. You now receive, and when you are on this subscription, whatever, you earn, the more you have more followers. And that's how it works. Now, you have seen the requirement for that one. The next one is what we call video gifts. Look at it. Video gifts. How does it work? Click on it. Let's see. This one appears to be so easy for everyone. Now, at this moment, if you want to make the video gift work, you have to check this. Are you getting it? You have to turn it on. Let's turn it on and see the requirements. Now, what are the requirements? I have 5 major requirements. The 5 major requirements on this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you notice that out of these 5, I already have 3? And now what are these 2 I don't have? They are very simple to have. I have videos must pass safety moderation to be eligible for this. I have got this. Meets the age requirement. You must be 18 years plus. I've got this. Account not used by government. It's not a particular party. It's not business account. It's a private account. Personal account is there. Now, the other one is have an account that's been active for at least 30 days. I told you it's not been long I created this particular account. So once it's clocked 30 days, this requirement is already gotten there. And the next thing is have 10,000 followers. You think it's too big? No, for me it's not. I'm going to get there. And that's why sometimes people are ready to pay to buy followers, because they know they're going to start making money from it. Imagine it. Once it's in close 30 days now, this requirement is already there. And then 10,000 followers, this one is there. Is something that is quite achievable. So I'm talking to you now, some of you listening, you have a lot of people there, but you don't know what else to do. So that's how it was. So I'm going to ask you, follow me and be part of the reason why I start making it here. Then number 3 is work with artists. Let's see how that works. You see how fantastic this one works? Now, it has 3 major requirements. Just look at it. Be at least 18 years of age, pass anti-cheating verification, have more than 1,000 followers. I see it. This one is not 10,000, just 1,000 followers. And how does this one work? You pick a paid music task you are interested in. The system will give you a lot of paid music tasks once you qualify for this. You pick the one you are interested in, create a video with that song and post it. You create a video. If you look at some of our TikTok, I'm going to show you some of my TikTok videos now. You see they have songs. You post with that song, the more likes, the more share, the more views you get, the more you earn. The system didn't say if you don't get 1 million views, you will earn. But the more you get these things, you earn more. Have you not seen why sometimes you see some of these people posting on TikTokers, and they're saying, use that particular song, use it again, and all that. They want you to say, reshare. They want those shares. They want you to share their videos, because the more they are sharing, the more you're liking it. They say amen, make a comment. As you're engaging, they are earning more. So whatever strategy that works for you. And so you can see, for many of us Nigerians that say, I can't earn online, people are raking money online, what do I do? TikTok is making it easier for everyone. So many of us are not that strong, mentally strong, and, committed to do a lot of work on blogging and all that. We feel it's too much. But my dear, TikTok can be so easy for you, especially ladies. As a woman, as a content creator, you can teach something. Just within a short minute, you're a math teacher, you can use TikTok and do wonderful things for yourself. So this is exactly what is going on right now. And I need to tell you this because you're my fan. Once again, I tell you, please follow me. I want to see. Just let me quickly show you. You can see as a new thing I started, I already have, as of the time I'm talking to you now, this 86 followers. 109 likes. These are, original followers. I didn't buy anything. I didn't, do any mago to get this. And see some of my videos. You can see some of them 380 views and all that, 400 and something views. Some of these videos, they are all there, little by little. So that's exactly how it works. You keep on going on. Some of them, you see likes, you see whatever. All those likes you see here, these are the likes. People are liking video, they are sharing and all that. And that's how it grows. Just look at a video like this. This is just a test video. But you see the song behind it.
Put Jesus first.
You are getting it.
When you wake up in the morning,
you already have 20 likes
when you're tired,
for this video. And these are people liking it.
When you got so much
there's
going
even
on
comments.
And there's
also.
so much to do. Put him first.
So that's it.
Jesus.
You can see this one. You ask myself, what is it? And the likes are there. And the views are there. You can see this tutorial video. I recorded it.
Do you know you can create a website for your business?
And the views are there. Just look at this one.
As you step out today,
are you getting it? These are TikTok videos. You can do your thing. Some people just go there, they are dancing. Some are doing some short skits. And people are viewing, they are raking it all. So I'm going to stop here. Remember what I told you? Follow me on this TikTok. I'm going to drop my link, TikTok handle, on this video description. Subscribe to our YouTube channel here, and then give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to share it as well. I wish you the best. I stop here for the moment. Thanks for watching.